let's get right back into it. We are on our final stages here. This is step 5. No, we're past step 5. Step 5 is proofing. We're at we're at the end stage. We're gonna bake our bread now. So first, I'm gonna go get my loaf of bread. I'm gonna flour my area. I'm gonna flip my loaf. I'm gonna flip my camera so you guys can see that, and we'll dust our loaf with our flours. We'll score it. No idea what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wing it, and then I'll show you guys what I use to cook it. I don't have an actual Dutch oven. I've got some old Guardian serviceware, but it's been working just fine. Got my parchment paper and everything ready. So also preheat your oven to about 500. If you have a Dutch oven, heat that sucker up to 500. Preheat it, the Dutch oven, in the oven at 500. Then turn the oven down to 45. I've found that preheating my Guardian service at 485 works better. 500 is a little too hot. And then my crust, like the bottom of my bread, cooks way too quick and it's thick and hard and not quite burnt, but pretty well burnt. So let me switch my camera angle so you can see. This is the fun part. All right. Got her pretty. It just comes right back up. I hope you can see. All right. And remember, even though this looks nice and perfect and round, this was actually the seam. This is the bottom. So we're going to flip it gently, as gently as we can. Okay. Wow. It's so pretty. Okay. I actually want a little bit more flour here. Okay. I have no idea what I want to do as far as scoring goes, but I do happen to have a nice little tool. It's a very thin razor blade and a handle for it. You put it on and take it off. It's very sharp. It works much better than a knife, but a sharp knife will work just fine. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Don't know if you can see that. I hope you can see it. Definitely think I probably already messed it up. No, no, I like it. Yep. No idea what that's gonna look like. It's supposed to be a little tulip there. Now, kind of gonna pull this off to the side so I can set my Guardian service here so you can see it. But it's in the oven. It's already preheated. Should be pretty stinking hot. You're just going to take your paper. There you go. Now we're going to do 485 with the lid on for about 18 to 20 minutes. Then we'll take the lid off and do another 20 to 25. So